Recycle. Partnership Coordinator, Gazi University Turkey. Partners, Marie Curie Association, MCA Bulgaria, Zavod Antona Martina Slomska Maribor Slovenia, Ministry of Education Turkey, Directorate of Secondary Education of Thessaly Greece, Ojab Austria. Recycling is the re-inclusion of wastes, which can be recycled, into the production process through various processes. In other words, it is the recycling of materials that turn into waste after use as raw materials after applying various physical and chemical processes. Purpose of recycling: to prevent unnecessary use of resources and to reduce the amount of waste garbage. Materials such as glass, paper, aluminium, composite, steel, wood, plastic, batteries, electronic wastes, motor oil are recycled and reused, which plays an important role in the country's economy. Recycling prevents problems such as the storage and transportation of solid wastes in countries. By reincorporating the used paper into the paper manufacturing process, air pollution is reduced by 74 to 94%, water pollution by 35% and water use by 45%. Recycling works with a full boiler principle. Thanks to recycling, both resources are used more efficiently and less energy and less water is consumed during the production phase, less trees are cut and less carbon emission is realized. The recycling process takes place in 4 stages. First, separate collection at source. It is one of the most important processes of recycling to collect packaging wastes separately where they are formed separately from other wastes. Second, classification. Wastes collected separately at their source are classified according to their types: paper, metal, glass, plastic, composite, etc. Third, evaluation. The wastes, returned to the economy as raw materials after being subjected to physical and chemical processes in recycling facilities. Fourth, bringing the new product to the economy. The recycled material is used in the production of a new product and regenerates. With recycling, natural resources are preserved, energy and water are saved. Carbon emissions are reduced. Thanks to recycling, the amount of waste that goes to landfill is reduced and the useful life of garbage storage areas extends. Recycling helps us invest in the future, provides employment and also contributes to the economy. Chemical waste, glass, paper, aluminium, plastic, batteries, engine oil, accumulators, vehicle tires, rubber, concrete, organic waste, electronic waste, iron, textile, and wooden. When 10 aluminium beverage cans are recovered, the electrical energy consumed by a 100 kilowatts H lamp in 35 hours or a TV in 30 hours is preserved. Recycling methods differ for each material. Aluminium. The recycling process of aluminium is very simple. Waste aluminium is broken into small pieces. Afterwards, these parts are melted in large furnaces and cast aluminium is produced. Thus, aluminium is recycled. Concrete. Concrete pieces are collected from demolition areas and brought to where the crushing machines are. After crushing, the fragments can be used as pebbles or, if there is no additive, as a dry mortar. If a 2.5-liter plastic bottle is recycled and used in production, 6 hours of 60 watts of electrical energy can be saved. A seating group for 6 people can be made from 1050 recycled plastic trays. A jacket can be made from 25 used plastic bottles. A sleeping bag can be made from 35 plastic bottles. A 25% reduction in energy consumption is achieved. A 20% reduction in air pollution is achieved. 80% reduction in mine waste is achieved. 50% reduction in water consumption is achieved. The use of natural resources such as sand, soda and lime is also reduced. Disposing of sports products in an environmentally friendly way is one of the most difficult processes faced by the sports equipment industry. Recycling of sports equipment is carried out in several stages. These steps are waste, grinding, thermal recycling, and chemical processing. The production of sports equipments mostly consists of composite and plastic materials. Composite material recycling and reprocessing is very expensive. Also, the mechanical properties of reprocessed composite and plastic materials are much lower than the original materials and are often too low to find application in high-performance sports equipment requiring high stiffness and strength. The current practice for disposal of most composite sporting goods is landfills. Not only is this an environmental problem due to the hundreds of thousands of products occupying landfill, but the polymers and fibers are extremely durable and take centuries to break down in the soil. For most sports equipment, the maximum particle size is under a few millimeters. The problem with the use of ground material is that the continuous fibers break down into small pieces and therefore lose their ability to provide some properties. Sports equipment must contain continuous fibers for maximum mechanical performance.